Ngayon, ikakasal na ulit tayo for the second time. Hindi lahat kaya magpakasal ng 2 beses tulad ko. Ako lang ang malakas. At ang lakas ng gastos, aray ko.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know
Sa dumayo pa from Germany, lady.
you are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, driving down the street.
Parang naiyak ako. Ay! Sabi ko na hindi ako
In the back of my mind.
Alam ko naman dati na crush mo na ako. Hindi ba totoo? Siyempre naman.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine.
Para
With
sa
you,
tagumpay.
with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than
Ba't umuyak mo yun? Sir, tapos na, sir. Bobby, the first day I saw you, hindi ko akalain na you will be the love of my life. Naiyak ako. You've been my friend for a very long time. Until today, you are my best friend. At first, takot pa akong i-take risk ang friendship natin dahil ayaw kong masira kung anong meron tayo. But we proved na that will be our best decision of our life.
Ikaw lang ang kulang.
Hi, my love. First of all, thank you sa walang sawang pagmamahal sa akin. Di ba Tagalog yan? Thank you kasi ikaw ang dumating sa life ko. Marami man tayong misunderstanding before, at least at the end of the day, tayo pa din.
Ang pusong magpinta, ang pag-ibig mo ang obra.
I still remember one time, may nagsabi sa akin na iba daw ang glow ng mga mata natin kapag nag-uusap tayo. At dahil feelingera ako, feeling ko it's one of the sign ni God na we're meant to be together and for each other.
Sa'yo ko lang nakuha, pagmasdan mo ang saya. Nakaugit ang
Worth it naman lahat ng pagod, stress, puyat. Every day, at least ngayon, okay na. Survive na natin. Thank you sa 2 weeks preparation. Sa stress na 2 weeks, pero at the end of the day, tapos na siya.
dating walang husay, ang aking mga kamay binigyan mo ng lakas.
You're funny, gentleman, caring and respectful, and responsible person. You've always been there for me. We've grown together all these years. Despite na hindi tayo magkasama at LDR tayo, sabay pa din nating nilalagpasan all those losses, hardships, and trials na binigay sa atin ng Diyos Ama. We've celebrated all our success and achievement together. I saw you grow and become a man, and I'm so proud of what you've become.
Kailambing ang iyong gabay sa bawat kumpas ng kamay. Tila parang awit ang bawat habi, sumasabay ang langit. Natuto na ang pusong magpinta, ang pag-ibig mo ang obra, sining ng buhay ko'y nakapalibot sa'yo. May sisay na bawat kulay at tinta, sa'yo ko lang nakuha. Pagmasdan mo ang saya, nakaugi tayong lagdang kay ganda.
Kaya sa hapong ito, hindi hadlang ang walang boses ang pari ninyo. Hindi hadlang ang anumang balakid sa buhay, kung hindi dahil ginusto ng Diyos na ngayon kayo ay magsasama.
Now, we are starting to make our life together as one. I can promise you that I will continue to support and be with you for all of it. Let's pray that God will continue to guide us and bless us and make our family a happy and contented. We love you so much.
In the cold of the night, I just can't believe that you
Thank you po Mapa sa pagtanggap po sa akin, sa paging part ng family nyo. Sana huwag po kayong ma-disappoint sa akin kung sakali po may time na problema dumating. And salamat po sa pagmamahal po sa akin tsaka kay Regine po. I love you po.
Ingat kayo palagi. Tandaan nyo, lagi kayong magmahalan ha.
Opo.
Buto talaga. Mahal ko yung anak ko, mahal na kita.
Salamat po.
I need to be with forevermore.
Mahal ko, this is my gift to you as a symbol of time and to start a new life with you. Love you. Thank you.
Every night I've been watching all the stars that fall down.
Maging matatag ka. At saka, lagi mong tatandaan na magmahalan kayo palagi. Bigyan mo kami ng maraming apo.
Ngayon ang payo ko sa inyo. Magmamahalan talaga kayong dalawa.
Thank you po sa love. And sa blessing po sa amin dalawa ni Jopper. Love na love ko kayo. Di ba, iyak na iyak.
Can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Hi, my love. How are you? Hope na okay ka lang always. Tanggapin mo ang small gift ko sa'yo. Ang Tagalog, pagpasensyaan mo na. Yan, dugo at pawis ko yan. Nagbenta na ako ng laman para dyan. Joke, I love you so much and see you later, alligator.
And on, my love for you will be forevermore.
I love you so much, babes. Bobby, mahal ko. Baymax, Babylog. I love all of you. Kahit na yung mga nakakainis mong attitude. I love you with all of my heart. And I will love and continue to choose you. Choose us. Always. Love you.
You are just a dream that I want to
Thank you because you came to my life. Thank you for being there on my downside and for cheering me up when I'm stressed. Thank you for understanding always. And I know sometimes I'm super stubborn and I love you so much. Just always pray we will be together soon, very, very soon. Just pray. Everything happen for a reason. I love you.
You